guys, so let's check out the room. That's the hallway, and we are in 704. Raluca should be inside.
Hello.
Hello. Just want to show them the room. Quite big and spacious. What do you think?
I love it. And I love the view towards Green Park as well.
Oh yeah, we have a good view. And complimentary champagne with your room. Sunny outside, so that's great. I think we might gonna go and explore. Where do you want to go? Bond Street or?
Yeah, I want to go Bond Street.
Shopping?
Yes.
We also need to get lunch. So yeah, we got some fruits as well, which is nice. Yeah, I think the room looks really nice and it's quite big.
I love the touch of green everywhere.
Yeah, and a lot of mirrors.
Yeah, definitely.
You can see a lot of mirrors. And yeah,
Super pretty.
it does actually live up to the name of a 5-star hotel. Yeah.
Yeah, and it was voted, I think, UK's best urban hotel by
Oh, wow,
Condé
okay.
Nast.
Yeah, so we got some magazine here, and I'll show you the bathroom as well. It's not very big, but it does the job. What do we have here? Molten brown, yeah. And that's your sewing kit, bathtub in here. I'm sorry about the flashing, we're using a GoPro, so I don't know why it's doing that. It's not big, but it does the job. And let's check out the minibar. So you have a coffee here, maker. You only got water and a juice, so I guess no drinking for me tonight, no wines or anything like that. But we're gonna book dinner anyway, so yeah, love it. Quite big, quite spacious, a lot of light and a nice view. So guys, we're so hungry we start to dig into the fruit, but look at these cookies. Nice, no?
It's not cookies, it's chocolate.
Chocolate, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And we really need to go to eat something, because I'm eating an apple. That's cute. Thank you. So they also have a terrace. Is it closed? It should be open, no?
And I know there's various touch points in the body.
Okay, ready to go shopping?
Definitely.
Yeah, so we're gonna go get something to eat now, and then we're probably gonna come back to check out the spa. Like this one. We made it to Fordham and Mason, and we're looking at a picnic basket. If you know Raluca, you know she's all about picnics. one is really nice. You got everything in here, even plates. And this one is 475.
Okay, so we found the perfect outdoor set and it's right behind me. Isn't this the most beautiful set you've ever seen? It's definitely giving me like Greek vibes. I think it's so perfect for like a garden.
Yeah, I like it, but I don't like the price.
I know. Hopefully we'll win the lottery.
Yeah. So guys, I just want to show you some chairs, like really lovely ones, but outrageously expensive. Check it out. So for the pair of them, 10 grand. Like vintage style. They also have this one in green, but again 10 grand. So it's lovely. So many stuff they have here, like for example this table. Let's see how much is this one. It's 4,100 from the 18th century. Wow. And they also have this office, which is again very old, 1940, 4,700. Yeah. Wow. So many crazy stuff in here, but you need deep pockets. Okay, I think we're gonna head back to the hotel now and we're gonna get ready because we're having dinner at 7 o'clock. So catch you there.
Alright guys, we are gonna go down to Spa and see what it's like. We had to do a booking because I think they only allow like 6 people because it's a small spa. So we just had to wait half an hour, so it was pretty quick. So we're gonna take you with us as well and
well,
see
I'm
what
not
it's
sure
like.
if I can film there.
Oh yeah, true.
So
we're gonna see. I'm gonna take my phone anyway. And
yeah, if we can film, we're gonna
yeah.
show you. If not, you'll just have to book a room and check it for yourself.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay, so it seems that there's no one here, so we just have to wait in the waiting room. I'm gonna get some water.
Yeah, that's the one I used.
This one?
No, the other one.
This one, yeah. Okay.
No, you need to push down. Well, I don't think this is working. The other one is working.
Yeah, it's slow.
No, let go.
Okay. Take a seat. And we're gonna wait. Thank you. Okay guys, so this is the spa area. It's quite small, but there's only 6 people around and they give us like 45 minutes to stay here. So that's okay, that's okay. And they also have a sauna in here. Yeah. Anyway, we're heading back to the dinner now. Okay, so we're ready for dinner. We just got dressed.
Hello. This is my
Lovely
outfit.
Dress.
Wait, I'm gonna show you the full look. So I'm wearing this, and then my heels, they kind of match the dress as well. And yeah, we're gonna head downstairs. I think we're a bit late already, so we'll see you guys down there.
Yeah, I think she needs to find another partner for tonight because I'm not that fancy dress. But one thing I wanted to ask you guys is when you get into a new room at a hotel, how long does it take you to make a complete mess out of the room? I mean, look at this one. We got stuff on the bed, on the desk, on the chair, and even on the floor. Like, I mean, look at this. It only takes like 3-4 hours. And yeah.
Wait, I changed my hair a little bit because I think it was too high up.
Okay. So let's see what do they have on the dinner, and hopefully I can get a bit of steak because I need a steak. We've been eating a lot of rice, and what else did we have? Chicken and fish in Indonesia. So I'm dying to get a steak. So hopefully they have one on the menu. Anyway, see you downstairs. So we're down at the dinner finally. I was saying I'm gonna have a steak, and they do have steak. Those are the prices, which is quite reasonable. And starter, main course, and from the grill. I think I'm gonna have a starter and then something from the grill. You ready? Order?
I'm gonna go for soup.
Soup?
I think risotto. I love risotto.
Oh, okay. And as a drink, cocktail you had?
Yeah. I'm gonna get a cocktail.
I'm gonna get a wine. Starter has come. Went for the sashimi tuna, and you had the
Cauliflower soup.
cauliflower soup. Alright, let's dig in and see how does it taste. So we got our ribeye steak. We just cut it to check it out, see if it's medium rare. It looks alright to me. We got some truffle fries, and you had?
I've got risotto.
You had risotto, yeah? Okay. Let's dig in. I'm starving.
I'm already
And
eating.
I've ordered some red wine.
Okay.
You okay with a drink?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Oh, you got plenty. Yeah. Alright. Let's dig in, guys, and we'll tell you after how it was. Oh, by the way, we're using a light because it's very dark in here. So we need some extra light. Before you go to bed, what we usually do is always check which pillow is the soft one. I always have so many pillows, so you gotta choose one. I think I'm not sure which one. This seems soft. This seems soft. I might go for this one. I think I want to give this one. Morning, guys. Another beautiful day here in London. We were hoping for a nice sunrise, but it looks a bit cloudy. I guess it's okay as long as it doesn't rain. And we just ordered a breakfast in the room. You have the option to order in the room, or you can go downstairs. We wanted to get in the room so we can also get some pictures. And I think it's better. You watch the TV, the telly, and you have breakfast at the same time. So let's see, what do we have for breakfast? Yeah, sorry about the mess. It's all a mess. Anyway, this is the breakfast. We got some scrambled eggs and salmon. That's for me. Ooh, avocado with eggs, porridge, croissants, I think. I forgot to order coffee. I can't believe I forgot to order coffee. Yeah, I think I want to make one from here. Anyway, we did a bit of shopping yesterday. So yeah, this is what we're gonna have for breakfast. Pancake as well. And I believe we're gonna set up here, so you can have a view of the magnificent traffic London, which surprisingly it's not that bad at this time in the morning. Yeah, still didn't finish the champagne, so that's another job for today. But yeah, and then I think we're gonna check out at 12 o'clock, so we still got a couple of hours. So unfortunately
It's
our
time to check up.
day has come to an end. We're gonna check up in the next 5 minutes. We just got dressed. I think we're gonna hang around in London for the next 2-3 hours.
Yeah,
we're not in a rush. But yeah, breakfast is done. Again, a big mess. But yeah, we did enjoy our stay here. What do you reckon about this hotel? Do you like
I
it?
really loved it. I love the view, and I feel like it's gonna be more prettier in the summer when everything is green, because you can see obviously Green Park, and then you can also see London Eye
Yeah.
in the background at night time when it's like lit up. So it's definitely a view that you will enjoy all year long.
And this is where we had breakfast with
Yeah.
a nice view. So
yeah, we're sad to leave, but it is what it is. We need to go. We're gonna enjoy London a bit more. We're gonna do a bit of shopping and then explore around.
no more shopping. We done the shopping yesterday.
Just a
Yeah. Anyway, guys, we catch you in the next one. Hopefully you enjoyed this one. Highly recommend the hotel. It's a great stay if you're coming to London, or if you're just thinking for one night to go out. So yeah, clean, great stuff. Did enjoy our time here, so highly recommend. Okay, see you in the next one. Take care.